Hi everyone. Today we will discuss regarding the door shutter wood calculation. So once we fix the door frame, this is the door frame. Generally for the main doors, the door frame size is about 3.5 feet by 7 feet height. 3.5 feet is the width of the door frame from outer section to the outer, and the height of the door frame is about 7 feet. And for the main door there will be a gadapa over here also, so that means the frame will be there on the bottom side also. So uh, uh, to fix the wooden shutter, let us calculate the how much wood we need to purchase from the shop. So let us consider the section thickness is about 5 inches by 4 inches. That means the door chowkat, whatever we are fixing over here, that is the door frame, the thickness of it will be 5 inches by 4 inches generally. So for the other doors, for the bedroom doors and the bathroom doors, we may consider 4 inches by 3 inches. But generally for the main doors, we will take a 5 inches by 4 inch section to make it to look a little bigger. So in that 5 inches by 4 inches section, there will be a cut on the corner to fix the door frame. So that is 40 mm at one side, and another side is anywhere between 12 mm to 25 mm cut will be there on the other side. So to calculate the size of the door shutter that we need to make, we will take out 1 inch from this place and another 1 more inch from this place. So that is the 4 inch thickness will be there. This will be 4 inches thickness and this will be 4 inches thickness. So 1 inch from this side, 1 inch from this side, because we need some overlap of the door shutter onto the door frame, so that we cannot see from one side to the other side. Otherwise, if we don't take out any cut over here, and if we just fix the door frame, there will be a gap appearing in these two places. So that's the reason, we will make a cut over here and on this side also. So 1 inch this side, 1 inch this side if we take, so this side it will be 3 inches and this side it will be 3 inches. So from 42 inches we will be taking out 6 inches and we are left with 36 inches, that is width. And the height will be like 84 inches. From the 84 inches, as we have the wood on the top side and as well as at the bottom place also, because for the main doors we will be putting the gadapa. So here also 1 inch will go and here also 1 inch will go. So we are left with 3 inches at the bottom side and 3 inches on the top frame. So we will take out from 84 inches, we will take out 6 inches. So from 84 minus 6, we are left with 78 inches. I hope you understand. The width is 36 inches and the height of the door frame is 78 inches. Now we will do the calculation. To calculate the wood, we need to take the volume of it. To take the volume, that is the cubic volume, we need to multiply width into height into thickness. We are taking all the units as inches. The width is 36 inches. 42 inches is the door frame's outer to outer size. So the inner door shutter we need to take 36 inches, and 78 inches is the height of the door shutter, and 1.5 inch, that is 40 mm. 1.5 inch is the thickness of the door shutter. So if we multiply 36 inches into 78 inches into 1.5 inch, we will get 4,212 cubic inches. So this is cubic inches, 4,212 cubic inches. Now this cubic inches, we need to convert this cubic inches into cubic feet, CFT, we need to consider. So for 1 cubic feet, how many cubic inches will be there? So for 1 cubic feet, we should multiply, feet is nothing but 12 inches, right? So 12 into 12 into 12. So if we multiply 12 into 12 into 12, we will be getting 1728 cubic inches. So 1728 cubic inches. So for 1 CFT, it is 1728 cubic inches. So how many CFT for 4,212 cubic inches? So if we do the calculation, 4,212 into 1 divided by 1728. I hope you understand this point. For 1 cubic feet, it is 1728 cubic inches. How are we getting this? We are multiplying 12 into 12 into 12 because we are taking out the volume of it, length into breadth into height. So we are getting 1728. So we are dividing 4212 by 1728. We will get 2.4375 CFT. That is the cubic feet. So we got 2.4375 CFT. So approximately we'll consider this as 2.5 CFT. So we need how much cubic feet of wood do we need? We need 2.5 CFT of wood we need. So generally the main doors we will make them in teak only. So as discussed previously, we will have two different types of teaks. One is African teak, another is Indian teak. Majorly we do have different other teak also, like Burma teak and all other, but generally like in the market we will be having African teak and Indian teak. And we have already discussed that in my previous video, that in African teak we will be having three types of teak. One is best teak, that is BT. The next one is GMT, that is good medium teak, and there is a third quality also. So the first quality of the teak is called as best teak, BT. So generally in the market the price varies between 1500 rupees per CFT to 3500 4000 rupees per CFT for the African teak. So I am considering for a good quality teak, the best teak as 3500 rupees per CFT. So for 1 cubic feet of African teak of the best quality, I am considering it as 3500 CFT. I am multiplying it with 2.5 CFT. That is the wood we require for making the door shutter. So we will get about 8750 rupees. And for this we need to add the making charges. So the carpenter will take some making charges. The making charges depend on the design of the door. So for the it will range anywhere between 3000 rupees to 5000 rupees depending on the design. If we go for CNC cutting, like the design on the computer machine, like CNC machine, it will cost a little more. It all depends upon the type of design you are looking for. So for the general type of making, like they will take anywhere between 3000 rupees to 5000 rupees. So if we add this 3000 rupees to 8750 rupees, we get 11750 rupees. And if it is 5000 rupees, it will range anywhere till 13750 rupees. And if we are considering the Indian teak, the best quality of the Indian teak, if we use, the cost will, per 1 SFT, the cost will be about 6500 rupees per CFT. So 2.5 CFT into 6500 CFT, it will come up to 16250 CFT. And for this again we need to add the making charges. That means to the carpenter will charge some money for making the door shutter. So it may range anywhere between 3000 rupees to 5000 rupees for an ordinary regular design. If we are going for any computer design like CNC machine and all, it will cost little higher. So 16,250 rupees plus 3,000 rupees will come up to 19,250 rupees. If the making charges is about 5,000 rupees, it will come up to 21,250 rupees. So roughly about 21,000 rupees, we can get an Indian teak door shutter. So I hope you guys understand this calculation, and please subscribe to my channel. I will keep on updating regularly regarding the civil calculations. Thank you so much.